Mono no Aware by Direct BC Amparado. Once again, please join us on stage, Direct Chris and Sir Jim, to present the check. Please stand by for a quick photo op as well.
First of all, thank you po, Pure Gold Cine Panalo, Direct Chris sa Selection Committee. Kinakabahan po kayo. Pero maraming salamat po for the opportunity dahil magkakaroon ako ng chance na ilabas yung aming story na simpleng-simple lang naman. So, thank you po, Pure Gold. Mono no Aware is, ibig sabihin niya is the point and sadness of impermanent fix. So, it's a film that will be shot in Japan. So, kaya ganun yung visual kay Laura kanina kasi yung character ko is a lonely death cleaner na OFW sa Japan. So, it's a story about life and death. Parang